Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about how to record your PC screen for free. A lot of people are wondering how to do this because they want to do certain types of videos where they can show people what they're doing on their computer while also showing themselves in the bottom corner like you see on this video right now. And this is something that I wanted to learn how to do when I first started making these type of videos, and I had no idea how to even record my screen, much less put myself in the corner as well. So I learned about it the same way that you're learning about it right now, through YouTube blogs, and I was trying to find a way that I can do it. Not just do it, but do it for free. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So if you stay tuned to the end of this video, you're going to learn the exact software that I use so you can do this for free starting right away. But first, why would you want to even use a screen capture? I mean, they work great for how-to videos, step-by-step videos, so you can actually show people what you're doing. That's really important depending on the topic. Presentations, or if you like reviewing things, like if you review products on Amazon or anything you're using and you want to add a little bit more trust. Just recording your screen is nice, and a lot of people have successful videos like that that are faceless, but if you put yourself in it, automatically your trust goes up to another level, because people, when they can see you, they can see your facial expressions, they just get a better sense of who you are, and if you're coming across like as a genuine real person. So it definitely adds a lot more trust with the voice and the proof that you are who you say you are. So let's get right into it. It's not going to be a long video, guys. I'm just going to show you right away. I use a website called Screencast-O-Matic. It's screencast-o-matic.com. You can just Google Screencast and it'll probably come up. I'll leave a link in the description below too. They do have a couple plans, but they are ridiculously cheap, and you don't even need to use this, guys, especially starting out. But just to show you that it does, $1.50 a month. I mean, it's literally nothing. So I mean, your per day cost is literally a couple cents. So this is if you wanted to pay for it, but you don't even need to do that. They do have the free option as well. So I'm going to show you how this works. Basically, you go to screencast-o-matic.com, and when you come to the homepage, you can literally just hit start recording for free right here. And it's going to launch a screen recorder, which I can't show you what it looks like. Well, I took a screenshot. I'm going to show you in... hold on a second. Okay, I'm going to show you this picture that I took of it, what it looks like before you hit record, so you can kind of see these options, because there's no way I can show you this while I'm recording. So basically, when you download it, this little box pops up here, and when you hit this little gear icon, these are your settings right here. So you can pick either just your screen, just your webcam, or both. So if you want to do a video like this one, what you'd want to hit is both, so it'll record what's on your screen, but also the webcam will take a video of you as well. So the only limit to the free, well, there's two things that happens when you do the free option. One, it's only up to 15 minutes. So if you're making quick videos like this one here, you want to just do some 7-8 minute reviews, 10-minute reviews, you're going to be fine, guys. And they will leave a little bit of a watermark. It'll say, Screencast-O-Matic's logo in the bottom corner, but it's really small. No one can really usually see it, and it's probably not going to interfere with any of the main things you have on your screen. So the free version will pretty much be all you need. And like I said, if you want to really get serious about it and invest just $1.50 a month, then you can get rid of that watermark off the screen. You can extend it to as long as you want to record. So I highly, highly recommend this software. So when you click on these settings, and I can't click this because I told you it's just a picture that I took, but you can pick, if you wanted to record your microphone, and these kind of settings here, or if you want with the size of the screen capture, I have it set to full screen, so it'll record everything on my entire screen, or you can do a custom area where you can like draw a box, and it will only record what's in that box. So that's basically that. There's not too much else to go over. Yeah, you see how this kind of has a box here, and I'll show that's like what it will record inside. That's basically what it is. So that's it, guys. I mean, if you want to record your screen and also your webcam at the same time, this is a great way to get started for free, because there is other options. People are recommending Camtasia. There's another one as well. I think OSB, I think it's called, or OBS Studios has one. But some of this can get kind of pricey, guys. Like, I know Camtasia is not cheap, and I mean, you're not really going to do much more than you can do on this for free. I mean, it's recording your screen, so This is where I would start. Like I said, once you maybe start making money from your YouTube channel or whatever else you're doing, or you just have the money to invest, then maybe you want to do something else. That's up to you. But I couldn't see myself really using anything else, no matter how much money I had, because you just really don't need anything else more. So, like I said, I'll leave the link in the description, guys. But if you want to record your screen, super simple. Screencast-O-Matic. You literally just hit record after you hit those settings when it's in the bottom corner, like I showed you. I'll just show you one last quick time here. Yeah, you just hit this record button. It'll say 3, 2, 1, and it'll start recording, and that's it. So that's it, guys. Screencast-O-Matic.com. I'll leave the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, I like helping you guys out, giving you tips and things that you can use to help you with whatever you're doing online. I would really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be making videos like this all the time. It really helps me out, guys. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.